Hi, it's Tessa, and I did my first bead haul from Temu, and I have one item here from Amazon, which I will show last. So we'll start with Temu. The first thing I have are these, throw that away, cards where you can put your jewelry on to sell. So they would fold in half, and there's a little sticky piece. And so like I made this set of bracelets. They say blessed, and then each one is matching but a little bit different. You would put them in here and then clip them together to do whatever you want with them. To go along with that, I also got these holographic bags so you can put stuff in as well. I got some iridescent crosses. They're so cute. Some spacer beads. There's a variety of spacers in here. A set of glass beads with different colors. Sorry, the lighting. Kind of see how they're faceted so the light hits them and they glisten. Then I got some gold alphabets with colored letters on them. Then I got this giant set of alphabets, just a variety pack. Gold crosses. Then I got this set of spacer beads. There's just a variety of different, we have little ones, like pyramid shapes, circles that kind of look like clay beads, but colored stars, hearts, circles, just a variety. The other three things I got for card making, I donate cards to our church. So I got some different cards with verses. They're little sticker cards here. There's a whole bunch of different ones with different verses. This pack is more simple. They're kind of like business card size. And there's all different fonts and writings and verses on each one. So just a variety of different ones here. And then I thought these were cute. They'd be cute for youth or just to make cards fun. There's so many different ones in there as well. And then the last thing I got was a bead making kit from Amazon. First you get a set of nippers. I really like nippers. I hope these are sharp. 2 sample spools of stretch fiber. A little how to make beaded bracelet card. And then 2 packs of beads. There's alphabets and some different spacers and little things like that in here. And then the other one is a bunch of clay beads, which I've never used clay beads. I'm really excited to try it. I recently purchased, I'll show you, hold on a second, this fun gadget, which is a bead spinner. So you put your needle in here with a bunch of beads and it will bead the bracelets for you. There's kind of a learning curve. It's not as easy as it looks. You can only use certain types of beads in it, but it is fun. So I'm pretty excited because I've never used seed beads before. I'm pretty excited to try that out later on today. So thanks for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Bye.